Finding the laziest yet lucrative way to earn online is what everyone dreams of. Join me, a seasoned entrepreneur, as we unpack the simplest methods. Let's use a grid to gauge ease by learning curve, fulfillment, scalability, startup costs, and risk. Each method aims for over $100 daily. Freelancing is up first. Use skills like video editing, design, or writing to earn online by picking your projects in timetable. Video editing is hot now with high demand. Laziness score for freelancing? The learning curve sits at 6 months. Time to build skills and a portfolio using YouTube tutorials. Fulfillment can be tough with demanding clients, while scalability is limited unless you raise rates or outsource. It costs next to nothing to start, but income can be inconsistent, so it's not our laziest option. Enter Airbnb arbitrage. Lease homes long-term and rent them out short-term on Airbnb. Starting takes 1 to 3 months, understanding local laws and finding prime locations. You'll need 5 to 15K upfront for furnishings and cleaning. It's heavily scalable yet risky, with guest and management issues. Next, run an eBay shop. Sell items online. Simple eBay setup, product sourcing could take 2 weeks. Medium fulfillment difficulty with shipping, returns, and handling customers. Scale up by adding products, but an ideal startup is around $500. Welcome, affiliate marketing. Promote products for commissions. Just days are needed to start with Amazon, ClickBank, or Impact. It's easy, share links, no customer hassle, and immense scaling with vibrant trending content. With low risk and $250 for initial content, affiliate marketing looks good, but let's keep going. Finally, AI-powered Shopify stores. Let AI set up your e-commerce, choose winning products, automate inventory. Practically zero learning curve, ultra-easy fulfillment with AutoDS. Manage products and orders seamlessly. Minimal risk, requiring a tiny starting cost of $1.99. The scalability is limitless as you build effortlessly. For minimal sweat, an AI Shopify store reigns supreme with negligible investment and stress. Looking for how to allocate earnings wisely? Check out the video I'll link soon. Ready for wealth growth? Subscribe, and I'll see you there.